Kaizer Chiefs head coach Nasruddin Nabi has hailed the impressive performance of youngster Mfundo Vilakazi following the team's hard-fought 2-1 victory over Marumo Gallants in their Betway Premiership opener at the Free State Toyota Stadium on Saturday. Vilakazi, introduced in the second half, made an immediate impact by scoring the decisive goal that secured the Soweto Giants' win. The opening goal for Chiefs was netted by another rising star, Mduduzi Shabalala, further underlining the club's trust in its young talent. Speaking to the media after the match, Nabi explained his decision to gradually introduce Vilakazi into the starting lineup, emphasizing the need to shield Vilakazi from overwhelming pressure. He said, "I have great admiration for Vilakazi. He's like a son to me, but I have to protect him. He's a massive talent, and starting for Kaizer Chiefs demands a sacrifice and resilience. I want him to understand that before shouldering that responsibility." Nabi stressed the importance of keeping the young player grounded despite his recent success, praising Vilakazi's contributions but calling for continued hard work and focus, and stated that, "I'm very happy for him, but it's crucial he stays level-headed and continues to work even harder." Vilakazi, promoted to the first team during Kevin Johnson's interim reign. His first debut for Chiefs was in a Nedbank Cup last 32 match against Milford FC, where the team suffered a penalty shootout defeat. Despite the early setback, the club showed its faith in the young star, securing him with a new contract that will keep him at Naturena until 2028. As Vilakazi continues to make strides, Amakosi fans will undoubtedly look forward to watching the talented left-footer develop under Nabi's careful guidance. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.